Hello, everybody. My name is James Show, and this is my Unit 2's discussion board for this week. So, my locations could be designated by this point right here, given by A. The latitude of it is going to be 64.84, and the longitude is negative 147.87. I am currently 2.2 miles away from campus. This is pretty close to the campus itself, and it's not too bad for location wise. Other than being 2.2 miles away from campus, I'm located on the west side of the town, so University West, and I am 1.1 miles away from the George Parks Highway. So my observation site is going to be located at my place. This is going to be 164 Syracuse Court. Like I said, it's on the west side of town. This is just a location where I'm staying as of now, and I think here in the next month or so, my observation site is going to have to change because I'm going to have to move. But so far, I've gathered all my information here. It's kind of populated. The climate, uh, not so much changes over like all of the city. It's not really warmer like if you were up on Still Creek Road and stuff like that. But I get to, I get to observe some of the climate and weather here. So my observation sheet was taken on the 26th of this month, 2013. It was approximately 5:29 Standard Time. Uh, just kind of going over the basic elements of this paper. It was pretty straightforward and pretty easy to get. So I did my first observation indoor, which was with the barometric pressure. Uncalibrated, I got 1,026 millibars, and I had 30.08 in mercury. And then the National Weather Service gave me 1021.5 millibars and 30.9 in mercury. After calibrating it, I got 1003.4 millibars and 30.1 in mercury. Next, for temperature wise, when I did it indoor, my current temperature was at 68.2 Fahrenheit, 20.4 Celsius. And then the right digital thermometer gave me 68.4 Fahrenheit, 20.2 Celsius. And the other thermometers I had, I went off of my thermostat, and my thermostat read 68, which is pretty accurate to the actual thermometer itself, and it was 20.4 Celsius. Orientation of observing site. After giving us the link on one of the discussion boards, I believe, I got my magnetic declination at 20. Uncoordinated compass direction, I got 222. And then after that, I got the corrected compass direction, which was 220. So I did my next step, which was going outside and get my observation. And I did the whole 20 minutes of leaving my thermometer or my thermostat, the thermometer outside. And I wasn't really quite sure if the readings were accurate. It was hung up on a wall and everything, but I mean, these are the numbers I did get. For the current on the left digital thermometer, I got negative 15 Fahrenheit with negative 28 Celsius. On the right, I got negative 14 Fahrenheit, negative 27 Celsius. These next numbers on the max, I am not quite sure uh, how accurate they are, but I did take the steps that you needed to do to get the accurate measurements. But so far, the max said it was 69.3, and then 22.2 Celsius, 59.4 Fahrenheit, 21.2 Celsius. The minimum were negative 18.5 Celsius and 18.8 Celsius, and negative 15.3 Fahrenheit, 20.4 Celsius. The barometric pressure at that time too was 20.21, 10.21.4 millibars, and then 30.9 in mercury. Um, uh, on January 26th, the winds and the Buford number, I believe, was at zero. There was no winds or anything, but there was a pretty heavy ice fog that was affecting pretty much all of Fairbanks. And um, I would say that half at least of the skies was covered because I couldn't see anything from my actual site. But I left a little bit later that day, and just kind of took a drive around, and I could see that some part of the skies were not cloudy, but I mean that was just due to the ice fog. And um, that's pretty much it for this presentation. Thank you.